Okay, let's pick up where we left off. We had weldments, we had assembled this bridge truss, and now we want to go over and we want to do a simulation. So let's start a new study. Okay, static analysis. Okay, I want to apply material properties to this. Let's go ahead and use English. We'll use steel. No problems there. I don't want these being beam elements because I want to treat this like a bridge truss, like I was designing a bridge truss. So I want to edit the definitions and I want to tell it to be a truss. So I've done that. Okay, so now basically I have a bridge truss. A little bit. And let's add some fixed geometry. Okay, let's start with this joint, and that looks good. And let's add another fixed geometry. But down here, we're going to let this zoom in here a little bit. Use that face, and we're going to restrict that it can't go up and down, it can't go sideways. Okay. Let's go ahead and get that in view. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm going to stretch that a little bit much. Okay, so now we need some one more fixed geometry. We have to fix. Let's see if I can select these. Nope, I gotta select them one at a time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't want this bowing out. Let's come in here. Oops. Oops. There we go. Select that face, and we don't want this. Let's once again use inches. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now we've got our constraints on here. Turn it a little bit, maybe. Whoops. I didn't want to do that. Okay, let's turn it this way a little bit. Okay. Oops. Oh, that's ugly. Okay, you can see it's constrained so that it can't bow out. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. We'll go ahead and mesh this. Oh no, we need to put an external load on force. Okay, and we'll do this in English units. We'll put a force at this. This is our favorite spot. And let's go vertical. And let's put 10,000 pounds force. Whoops, one more zero here. Oh, lost my. Lost my. What the heck happened to it? Lost my cursor. There it is. There it is. Okay, I got it back. Let's try again. 10,000. Okay. Let's select OK. Let's get this back into view. Now we're ready to mesh. Create mesh. Okay. Run. And if I didn't make any mistakes, it should run. Oops. Okay. I've done this once before. That's the problem. I've got to use a beam loading. It's my bad. Right there. Right there. That's what was tying it up. Okay. got the face. And now we'll put in this this direction here, 1,000 pounds, and I think this time it should get it. Yes, it did. Okay, let's try it again. Done. Okay, that sounded like a pleasant I worked. Okay, so displacement, and we'll edit the definition here. We want, it looks like that's a bit much. We want this in inches, PSIs, and user defined, let's use 50. Okay, that's a little bit better. Maybe a little bit more. Let's try 150. That's better. Okay, and we can kind of see that we probably would believe that. Edit definition, just make sure that that's in inches. And what did we decide? User defined 150 inches. That's a little bit more reasonable. And that looks pretty good. And it kind of gives us our stresses. We can look at our stresses. Okay, and our displacements. And that's not too unbelievable, so I'll let that be a wrap for this.